Hi, I'm Adriele Thomaz, founder of Candle Design Academy, Latin America's largest professional candle school. And what moves me is seeing everyday people discover they can turn the art of candle making into something much bigger, a business, a form of expression, and often a new beginning. Candle Design Academy was founded to authentically, practically, and professionally teach those who love creating with their hands to develop products with technique, identity, and value. Over the years, we have trained thousands of students worldwide, combining technical knowledge with a strategic market vision to turn craftsmanship into a profession. And it was with this very same purpose that our collaboration with Nicole molds began, combining her artistic vision and her deep expertise in mold design with our extensive experience in product development and market trends. This collaboration birthed Profitable Christmas, the world's largest Christmas candle project, a course celebrating design, emotion, and handcrafted value. Each mold was created to tell a story and inspire artists from all over the world to make a living doing what they love. Profitable Christmas is more than just a course. It's a creative experience that sparks new ideas, changes the perspective on craftsmanship, and rekindles the meaning of Christmas for both the creator and the receiver. If you also believe in the power a candle has to transform a space or even a life, I invite you to discover this project and become part of this story with us.